Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation and exploring cutting-edge solutions to one of the greatest challenges of our time, climate change. Carbon capture and storage, CCS, is a promising technology that aims to capture carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and industrial facilities and store them underground to prevent them from entering the atmosphere. By capturing CO2 before it's released into the air, CCS can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate climate change. Innovative CCS projects around the world are demonstrating the potential of this technology to reduce carbon emissions and transition to a low-carbon economy. From carbon capture at industrial sites to large-scale CCS projects in power plants, CCS is playing a critical role in decarbonizing key sectors of the economy. Reforestation projects are another powerful tool in the fight against climate change. By planting trees and restoring degraded ecosystems, reforestation initiatives can sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, improve air and water quality, and provide habitat for wildlife. Reforestation projects are taking place around the world, from urban tree planting initiatives to large-scale restoration efforts in tropical rainforests and degraded landscapes. By harnessing the power of nature to capture and store carbon, reforestation projects are helping to combat climate change and restore biodiversity. Sustainable agriculture practices hold the key to feeding a growing global population while reducing greenhouse gas emissions and preserving natural resources. From regenerative farming techniques to precision agriculture and agroforestry, innovative agricultural practices are revolutionizing the way we produce food and manage landscapes. Sustainable agriculture practices hold the key to feeding a growing global population while reducing greenhouse gas emissions and preserving natural resources. From regenerative farming techniques to precision agriculture and agroforestry, innovative agricultural practices are revolutionizing the way we produce food and manage landscapes. Renewable energy innovations are driving the transition to a clean energy future and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. From advanced solar panels and wind turbines to grid-scale energy storage and smart grid technologies, renewable energy solutions are transforming the way we generate, distribute, and consume electricity. Innovative renewable energy projects are popping up around the world, from floating solar farms on reservoirs to offshore wind parks and geothermal power plants. By harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water, renewable energy innovations are helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, create jobs, and build a more sustainable energy system. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of innovation and solutions for climate change. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on cutting-edge technologies, sustainability, and environmental solutions. Together, we can pave the way to a greener, more sustainable future for all.